In this video, we'll be looking at how to pool mine Raptoreum using XMRig. For those of you who aren't familiar, XMRig is a faster CPU mining software, and they just released support for the GhostRider algorithm, which means you can now mine Raptoreum with it. First off, you'll need to install the software. I've actually already done this for the sake of brevity, but select the MSBC file for Windows. The GCC is reportedly a little bit slower. Once everything's downloaded, unzip the file and move the XMRig folder to your desktop. It should have all of these files. The easiest way to get your files together is to go to xmrig.com/wizard and go through the configuration process, go through the prompts, and follow all the directions. Your user is just going to be your Flockpool or whatever your wallet address is, and then if you want to add a worker name, you can do that. So .i5-11600K for me, and add a password if you use one. Backends just needs to be CPU since we're not GPU mining this instance. Leave donate at 5% for now. 1% is the default, and so if you set it to 1 in the config file, it won't have any option that you can decrease to 0. Whereas if you set it to 5, we have donate level, which we'll edit later. So take your config file, copy it, and then in your config.json, delete everything and replace it with that. If you want to set your donate level to 0%, you can do that. And under algo, we want to say GhostRider. Everything else should be good. Now we want to do the same thing with the command line. Open rtm GhostRider example.cmd, and you only want to delete this line. Now there's one change we have to make, which is after donate level, type agr, which sets the algorithm to GhostRider, and save it. And now if you run as administrator, it begins mining. Just like that. Always remember when running your miner to run it as administrator. This enables large pages, which will guarantee the highest hash rates. Also, if you prefer a written version, we'll link an article that covers this in its entirety in the description. Thanks for watching.